listen to the audio. Question follows. So here's the audio, which is by Dhrupad Dekya. Listen. Let us listen to the voice of Dhrupad Dekya.
चुपके से कही धीमे पाँव से जाने किस तरह किस घड़ी आगे बढ़ गए हमसे राहों में, पर तुम तो अभी थे यही। कुछ भी ना सुना कब का था गिला, कैसे कह दिया अलविदा। जिनके दरमिया गुजरी थी अभी कल तक ये मेरी जिंदगी, लो उन बाहों को ठंडी छाओं को हम भी कर चले अलविदा। अलविदा अलविदा मेरी राहें, अलविदा मेरी सांसें कहती है अलविदा। अलविदा अलविदा अब कहना और क्या, जब तूने कह दिया अलविदा।
Thank you, Dhrupad. Here's the question. Question 6. The general plot and a number of characters are based on two classic Hollywood films, Brief Encounter and The Apartment. So there's a movie, Indian movie. So the general plot of that particular movie and a number of characters are based on the two classic Hollywood films, Brief Encounter of 1945 and The Apartment in 1960. So simply name the movie which is being talked about. So you can take a clue from the song which is just sung by Dhrupad Dekya. So simply which movie is in the question, whose general plot and character take some inspiration are based, or I can say based on two classic Hollywood films, Brief Encounter and The Apartment. Easy one. So next question, we have to watch the video. So here's a video for question number 12, which is performed by Pritam Kumar Nath. So Pritam, here you go. Thank you, Pritam, for the lovely performance. So, here's the question. Question 12. The film is based about the life of four unemployed, educated youths from lower middle class families of Tinisukia, Assam, who are entangled by their own misfortunes. Manav dash dash, Noyon, Pavitra Margarita, Topon, Gyanendra Pallab, Okon, Nobodip Borgohai are four unemployed educated youths in the movie. So Manav, Noyon, Topon and Okon are the four unemployed educated youths in movie. So fill in the blank. So simply tell me who played the character of Manav in this particular movie that is in the question. So if you know the film, the central character is being talked about. So Manav is played by which famous personality who is wide not only known in Assam, also known in Indian circles as well as in the world as well as. So question number 22. Let us listen to Sagarika now. So Sagarika, here you go.
चले जब ये बुलवाए मुझे दिल पे शहनाए तू ही मेरे सपनों का वो सजना चले जब ये बुलवाए मुझे दिल पे शहनाए तू ही मेरे सपनों का वो सजना मैंने चुनरी है लहराई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए मेरे आँखों में तू है बसा ओ सजना आ जाना अब तरसा ओ सजना आ जाना अब तरसा मैंने पायल है चमकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए मेरे सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना आ जाना अब तरसा ओ सजना आ जाना अब तरसा
Thank you, Sagarika. Thank you, Sagarika. Let's move on to question part. Here's the question. So this person in the image, born and raised in Michigan, she moved to New York City in 1978 to pursue a career in modern dance. So this is about the person in the image. Identify her, the person in image, and how can you connect her with a person who is backed by a band called Tha Thaiya when she performs on stage. So identify her, and how can you connect this person in the image with a person who is backed by a band called Tha Thaiya when she perform on stage. So you have to connect her with another person who is backed by the band called Tha Thaiya when she performs on stage. Easy one. So you can take easy hint from the audio. So you can take the easy hint from the audio. Identify her, and how can you connect her with a person who is backed by the band called Tha Thaiya when she perform on stage. So identifying